Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to sculpting those abs, sit-ups and crunches are two of the most popular exercises, but which one is truly better? Let's dive into the details to find out which exercise might suit your fitness goals best. Sit-ups and crunches both target the abdominal muscles, but they do so in slightly different ways. Understanding their mechanics and benefits can help you choose the right exercise for your fitness routine. Sit-ups involve lifting your entire upper body from the floor, engaging not only the abs, but also the hip flexors and lower back to a certain extent. This exercise is known for its full range of motion, which can effectively strengthen the core over time. On the other hand, crunches are more focused, involving a smaller range of motion, where you lift your upper body a few inches off the ground. This concentrated movement primarily targets the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, without engaging the hip flexors as much as sit-ups. Sit-ups are beneficial for improving overall core strength and endurance. They engage multiple muscle groups and can help in developing a stronger midsection over time. However, improper form or overuse can strain the lower back, so it's crucial to perform them correctly. Crunches, being more isolated, are effective for targeting the abdominal muscles directly. They are gentler on the lower back compared to sit-ups, making them a preferred choice for those with back issues or beginners looking to build core strength gradually. Both exercises offer variations that can cater to different fitness levels and goals. You can modify sit-ups by adjusting the range of motion or adding weights for increased resistance. Similarly, crunches can be performed on stability balls or with added twists to engage oblique muscles. Which one should you choose? The choice between sit-ups and crunches ultimately depends on your fitness goals, current fitness level, and any existing back issues. If you're aiming for overall core strength and don't have back problems, incorporating sit-ups into your routine can be beneficial for targeted abdominal muscle definition, or if you're new to core workouts, starting with crunches might be more suitable. Both sit-ups and crunches can be valuable additions to your fitness regimen when performed correctly and in moderation. Remember to listen to your body, maintain proper form, and gradually increase intensity to avoid injury and maximize results.